Good morning, friends. Today we visit a happy family. Today we learn about a special day. It is Mom's Day. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is up. The birds are singing. Good morning, house. Good morning, son. Mom wakes up first. She is always first. Mom walks to the kitchen. She makes breakfast. Eggs, toast, and juice. Tom. Anna. Wake up, my loves. It's a new day. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, sleepyhead.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Mom. Let's get ready. Brush your teeth first. Now wash your face.
Splash, splash.
Their faces are clean and fresh. Tom, do you want the blue shirt or the green shirt?
The blue shirt, please.
Good choice, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom.
Anna, do you want the yellow dress or the pink dress?
The yellow dress, please.
Blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow.
Ha ha ha.
Hey, hey.
Everyone looks nice today. Sit down, please. Breakfast is ready.
Tom eats his eggs.
Anna eats her toast.
Mom, your cooking is so good. Thank you, my dear. Eat well and grow strong.
After breakfast, Mom is busy again. She washes the dishes. She cleans the table. She sweeps the floor. Wash, clean, sweep. Wash, clean, sweep. Wash, clean, sweep. She also washes the clothes. She hangs them outside in the sun. Look, the clothes are dancing in the wind. So funny. This is a cup. This is a spoon. This is a plate.
This is a cup.
This is a spoon. This is a plate.
I like apples. I like apples.
Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's sing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P. Laughing, laughing, laughing.
Now let's go outside.
The trees are so tall and green here. And look at the pretty red and yellow flowers. They're so beautiful.
Look, a bird. What color is it?
It's brown.
Is that a boy bird or a girl bird?
I think that might be a boy bird.
Hello, bird. The bird is brown.
Brown.
Very good English, Anna.
Hello, my name is Tom. Hello, my name is Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Uh-huh.
Nice to meet you, too.
Look at me go, Mom!
I almost got it. Such good players. Back at home, it is afternoon. I feel a little tired today. She thinks about her busy morning. Cooking, cleaning, washing, teaching, playing. But I love my family. That makes everything easy.
Mom works so hard every day. Anna, come on. Okay, I'm coming. Let's help her. Let's surprise Mom. Yes. Let's do it now. Tom picks up his toys and puts them away. You did it! Yay, Tom! Anna puts the shoes on the shelf, neat and tidy. Mom, please sit down. We will help today. Really? Thank you, my loves.
Tom washes the cups. You're doing a great job, sweetie. It looks sparkling clean. Very good, Tom.
Anna dries the spoons. Wash and dry. Wash and dry.
You are doing a wonderful job. The sky turns orange and pink. It is evening now.
Let's make dinner together. Chicken, rice, and vegetables. Tom sets the table. Anna brings the cups and plates.
Dinner is ready.
Yes! Mommy!
The family sits together. They eat together.
Yum, this is delicious, Mom.
Can I have more?
This is delicious, Mom. Thank you both for helping me today. I am very happy. Yeah, it is.
It is nighttime. The stars are shining. Brush your teeth. Wash your face.
Okay. Tom and Anna climb into bed. Mom, can we have a story? Of course.
This is a story about a kind family. Every day, they help each other, and they say, I love you, and they live happily.
That's like us.
Yes, it is. Good night, my loves. I love you very much.
We love you too, Mom.
We love you too, Mom. All right, you two, have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Mom.
Bye-bye.